Delhi government-run Asha Kiran Home, a shelter for the intellectually challenged, has reported 28 deaths this year, out of which 14 deaths have been reported in the last 20 days itself. But that's not all, viewers. We are now learning that just half a dozen of doctors, 17 nurses, 50 auxiliary nurses and midwife professionals have been tending to an estimated 1,000 inmates at the Asha Kiran Home. So imagine the kind of staff crunch and overcrowding at this home from where the deaths have been reported. Government sources are now claiming that in the year 2013, following the then LG's order, posts for 10 doctors, 249 nurses, 62 auxiliary nurses, they were created at this very facility. The posts even now for multiple medical staff continues to remain vacant. Sources are also saying that the shelter home can accommodate around 400 inmates. That is what the officials say. But so far, like we've been telling you, the number of inmates in this home is 1,600 more than the official number given for how many can be taken in. That is 400. As these deaths trigger a face-off in the capital, the ruling Aam Aadmi Party is demanding answers. They are calling for a magisterial inquiry and questioning the Lieutenant Governor's decision to appoint a previously suspended official to run the shelter home. Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj was the first to raise these questions. He claimed that the administrator of the shelter home, Rahul Agarwal, was arrested by the CBI in the year 2016 for taking a bribe, and then he remained suspended for about 5 years. He asked, why did the LG appoint Rahul Agarwal as the administrator of the shelter home? Now, clearing the stand, officials of the Raj Niwas said that the administrator, being a Denix officer, was posted to the Social Welfare Department on the 15th of February in the year 2021 after the approval of the then LG, but thereafter, the minister concerned in the Aam Aadmi Party posted him as the administrator of the Asha Kiran Home. It's pertinent to mention here that the Social Welfare Department is headless after the resignation of Rajkumar Anand as a minister in charge of the department. Now, Anand quit the Aam Aadmi Party in April this year. The Lieutenant Governor has also directed an investigation into the running of the Delhi government shelter homes, including the deaths that took place at this shelter home, which is Asha Kiran. He has termed these deaths as an act of criminality against the ones who are most disadvantaged. Listen in to how the political face-off is playing out over the deaths in this shelter home.
जिस अफसर को एलजी साहब ने और केंद्र सरकार ने इस शेल्टर होम का प्रशासक बनाया, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बनाया, उस अफसर को सीबीआई ने 2016 में रिश्वत लेते हुए रंगे हाथों पकड़ा। ना आपने एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर को सस्पेंड किया, ना सोशल वेलफेयर विभाग के जो तालवे साहब हैं, सेक्रेटरी हैं, उनको सस्पेंड किया। एलजी साहब किस चीज का इंतजार कर रहे हैं? कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? कितने इनमेट्स एक महीने में वहां पे गुजर गए, इसका डेटा सेक्रेटरी के पास जरूर आता होगा, जानकारी जरूर होगी। जानकारी के बाद भी कार्रवाई नहीं की गई, इसका मतलब मिलीभगत है।
किस प्रकार से मृत्यु हुई, उन्होंने कहा हमें खाने को नहीं मिलता था, साफ सफाई नहीं थी, इलाज नहीं था। तो अभी तक उस अधिकारी को जिसके पास इसकी जिम्मेदारी है, उनको अभी तक सस्पेंड क्यों नहीं किया गया? वो अधिकारी कौन है? वो अधिकारी है मिस्टर राहुल अग्रवाल। वो राहुल अग्रवाल, वो जिनको 2016 में सीबीआई ने उनके पीए को दलाली लेते हुए पकड़ा था, उन्होंने कबूला। और हम ये पूरी रिपोर्ट लिया के दिल्ली विधानसभा के स्पीकर को देंगे।
हमें एक बार अंदर आने दें, हम देख तो ले कम से कम अभी तक क्या हुआ है, लेकिन नहीं, अंदर जाने की कोई इजाजत नहीं है। आप आज सभी देख रहे हैं, मैंने दिल्ली विधानसभा को सूचित किया, वहां पर कमेटी गठित की गई, वो कमेटी यहाँ पर आई है। तो आप भी ये देख रहे हो कि ये तानाशाही कि कमेटी को भी, जो दिल्ली विधानसभा की कमेटी है, उसको भी अंदर नहीं जाने दिया।
Now, as the blame game continues between the Delhi government and the LG, Aam Aadmi Party's rivals in the state, both the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party, are calling out the Delhi government. Both the BJP and the Congress are now saying that Aam Aadmi Party is a party which is running a headless and an aimless sarkar. and that the people of Delhi are victims of the Aam Aadmi Party's style of governance. Let's listen in.
It's not Aam Aadmi Party, it's a PAP party. PAP. Sin. And this party is one party which cannot take any responsibility. When the Delhi submerged during rains, NCD ne kaam nahi kiya, all these things, under whom NCD comes? Now the shelter home story, it's not our problem. This is the government without any responsibility. And they have left the Delhiites at the mercy of God. May it be shelter home or anything. May it be pollution or anything. Kejriwal is languishing in jail, not resigning. There is no chief minister. A headless state and with an aimless government.
First of all, it is so unfortunate. 14 deaths take place under your administration, and you are not even concerned. Now, at least as a human being, you should have expressed regret. It doesn't matter who's concerned. There is a faith by which we elect legislatures and members of parliament. And Aam Aadmi Party betrays that faith every day. It is so unfortunate. They have become so political and nothing but political. They've lost their humanity. I mean, if there is one officer appointed by the LG or some officers, it's still under Delhi government. Could you not have gone there?
Amit Tiwari of the Bharatiya Janata Party and Dr. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst, joining us today. Mr. Muni, I have one question. Who's accountable? Be it rain-related deaths due to drowning at the basements of coaching centers, or the deaths that have taken place in a shelter home where the most disadvantaged come to seek care, and so many deaths in a span of just 20 days. Who is accountable?
Sagarika ji, in your introductory remarks, you said that the Social Welfare Minister appointed Mr. Rahul Agarwal, who is the administrator of this particular shelter home. Can you show me a document that says that? Otherwise, you can say that the news was fake.
Mr. Akashdeep Muni, I don't think you heard me quite right. I said that this is the clarification that has come in from the officials of the LG office. They say that the appointment was made and there is a statement. We will send you those. But I asked you a very simple question.
I know that. Actually, I know that. I have all the details of the statements.
So then please put that across. Instead of questioning, instead of asking a question over a question, my responsibility is to put the facts as has been claimed by both the Aam Aadmi Party and the officials of the LG office. And that is what has been put across.
It is not a fact. It is a lie.
So counter the lie. Mr. Muni, counter the lie.
I'm telling you the factual.
Yes, please go ahead.
I'm telling you that in Delhi, LG Saab has appointed Rahul Agarwal. And he has also appointed the Secretary of Asha Kiran Shelter Home, Mr. Tawle. And after this incident also, till date, there are 3 days gone. Not a single person, including Rahul Agarwal or Mr. Tawle, has resigned. Now, you were saying about problems in the shelter home regarding lack of doctors. This problem is not of only Asha Kiran Shelter Home. This problem is whole of Delhi. Since last April 2023, the Health Minister has written to Honorable LG because recruitment and services is under the LG, that 292 GDMOs, that is MBBS doctors, 234 specialists, that is specialist doctors, and the 30% sanctioned posts are not filled. In dental, 65% filled, so sanctioned posts are not filled, and 20% sanctioned posts are not filled in nurses, and OT technicians, 1,658 posts are not filled.
Okay.
The Health Minister has requested LG.
So you are saying everything, all the mismanagement that's happening is because of the LG and the attempt to block governance in Delhi. Is that your specific allegation, Mr. Muni?
I am saying deliberate attempt to stop the governance in Delhi.
Deliberate attempt to stop governance is what Akashdeep Muni is saying. And let's now take this across to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Amit Tiwari, you heard the claims. Mr. Akashdeep Muni has cited numbers.
Yes,
he's gone on to say that there have been requests that have gone in from the ministers in the Delhi government, but this is a deliberate attempt by the LG to block. They don't have any responsibility. It is not their concern because they want to work. But the LG office is not allowing it. What's happening, Mr. Amit Tiwari?
Ma'am, this is the standard operating procedure. This is their modus operandi. They do it every time. When there was a rail accident, you may recall, the Union Minister of Railways, he went there, stayed there for 2 days, resolved everything. We are people who take responsibility. I have always learned that with great power comes great responsibility. I believe that today they will come out and they will say that yes, we are accountable, it's our responsibility, we will fix the game. But now what is happening? If you recall, even when Mr. Arvind Kejriwal was arrested for corruption, they diverted the issue to his health issue, maybe insulin, maybe weight loss and all that. Now, the issue which ought to have been discussed is, why did this incident happen? Who is responsible for this? How to resolve this problem? Because this is not a small issue. 28 lives we have lost, and I really pray to God that those souls rest in peace. Instead of discussing that, they have intentionally diverted the issue to appointment of one official and now pointing fingers toward LG. Now, I ask a very pertinent question. In last 10 years, they are aware that the capacity of that Asha shelter home was hardly 450. The inmates are more than 1100. There are food quality issues, drinking quality issues as per the report of the SDM. There are issues with regard to shortage of staff. There are ventilation issues. How many times did any minister, be it the concerned social welfare minister or any other minister, or including the chief minister, did visit that place and tried to resolve the problem?
Okay.
There is enough land lying with revenue department in Delhi. Did they convert any land? Did they ever propose or planned that yes, now there is an issue of serious shortage of land, we are going to construct another Asha shelter home, we will decongest the area? No, they did not do it. Now when these incidents, unfortunate incidents have happened, they are trying to divert the issue.
Mr. Muni.
Now look at this problem.
Mr. Muni, 14 deaths have taken place under... I'll come back to you. 14 deaths have taken place under your administration and you're not even concerned. At least as a human being, you should express regret. It doesn't matter who is concerned. There is a faith by which we elect our members of the legislature and parliament. The Aam Aadmi Party betrays that faith every day. It is so unfortunate. They've become so political and they've lost their humanity. These are not my words. Verbatim, I'm reading out what Congress leader Sandeep Dixit said. Your alliance partner in the India bloc. In Delhi, they oppose you. And this is how they are seeking accountability from you. He also goes on to say that, yes, okay, you're talking about an officer appointed by the LG, but it is your government. Could you not have gone and visited this shelter home? Not my questions, the Congress parties.
See, Sagarika ji, I am so thankful to Amit ji that he raised this particular question of, has the ministers gone to Asha Kiran home? Yes, they have. A committee of all the MLAs, including the health minister, the PWD minister, everyone went to Asha Kiran home. Interestingly, the LG Saab has still now not visited. Like you are talking about Vaishnav ji, LG Saab has not visited. Tell me if he has visited or not. If he has visited, can you show me a photograph of it? First. Second point. Now, why we are saying that this particular person, Mr. Agarwal, is responsible? Because in Delhi, the governance has to be understood. The problem with Delhi is that Honorable Supreme Court last year gave a judgment where they said that services should be under the power of the government. So it means that somebody transfers, appointments, posting, everything should be under the government. Interestingly, after 6 days only, the central government under MHA passed the ordinance and shifted the services to LG Saab. भाई जिसको इलेक्ट नहीं किया गया, जो responsibility लेता नहीं है, उसको services दे दिया. So what happens is that all the officers, all the secretary report to him. Just imagine, in July 2024, the Honorable Health Minister writes to Health Secretary. And the Health Secretary...
Dr. Akashdeep Muni, let me bring in the BJP on this. The Aam Aadmi Party and their supporters will say that you are deliberately, or the LG is deliberately blocking governance. वो चाहे rain related deaths हो, flooding की वजह से deaths हो, आशा किरण home में अगर deaths हो, what happens is the political squabbling will continue, Mr. Tiwari and Mr. Muni. But can you give these reasons to those who've lost their loved ones? Be it the families of those students who died in that flooded basement at the Rao's IAS coaching center, or the family members of these inmates who lost their lives. Can you say all this to them?
Yes,
Mr. Tiwari, what's your counter to the Aam Aadmi Party?
I'll tell you.
Ma'am, I will respond.
Yes, please go ahead.
If this logic is to be applied, then if this logic is to be applied, then any development work that takes place in Delhi should be credited with the LG. Then they will take a different stand that we have done it. So whenever there is any developmental work, it is Aam Aadmi Party leaders who will cut the ribbon and will claim that we have done this. But when there is any unfortunate event, it is not we, but it is the LG who has done it. And Mr. Muni, I was not asking about the visit of any MLA or the minister post this incident. I was talking about you could have contemplated it well in advance from 2015 to 2024. Is your minister concerned, not aware about the situation that in a capacity of 450 inmates, your intake is more than 1100? Then did you try to decongest it? And now when there are problems, now you are saying that we are visiting it. So I am repeatedly saying this. Let's not get the issue diverted. It's not a case of appointment that you will start talking about the Supreme Court judgment or the office memorandum of the Home Ministry. The issue is what happened with those kids who were mentally challenged, who were to be taken proper care of. They required extra care. Rather, they were put in a situation
all right,
where they lost
completely
their
running
lives.
out of time.
Now you are
Amit Tiwari and Dr. Akashdeep Muni, completely running out of time here on the bulletin. But there is one question that the people of Delhi are asking. When lives are lost in a shelter home by those who need care, we are talking about intellectually challenged persons. When such lives are lost and when accountability is sought, what answer is given? And people of Delhi are watching. Thank you so much for joining us. It's time now for us to take a short commercial break. We'll be back with another big story that's